Yeah, bro. Oh, oh no. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, I don't. Where my stickers at?
Right here, bro.
Are we right here?
Oh.
Anybody go with paint work, bro? Oh, what's up? What's going on, YouTube? All right. Today, this is actually gonna be a quick video. I'm not gonna lie. Ain't much. Can't even talk. It's really just one part I'm adding, and it's not difficult to add either. This man always comes at the most convenient times. It doesn't make any sense. So he only passes by when we outside, and he helps us make it pop. Oh, what going?
Not much fun.
Oh. Oh. All right, back to the action at hand. Yes, Strut Tower. What is this called? A Megan Racing High Performance Strut Brace. One of my followers mentioned this to me because he got it and he was like, you know, he can really take corners and stuff, you know. And I'm over here like, why not? Hey, why not? You know. So I'm about to put this on and see how this goes. So, OEM one. Really simple. It's really just like, you know, just these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I was right, 6 studs. Can I count? Yeah, 6 on this side, 6 on this side. Just moving this, that. We're all good.
I'm like, damn. Sorry. Coupe.
Megan.
Mugen, bro.
Megan.
It's Mugen, bro.
M-E-G-A-N. Where do you see a U that says Mugen?
This is Mugen, bro.
Alright, bro.
At this point, I'm just
You illiterate, bro. Alright.
I'm just fucking with you at this point.
Nah, this one you illiterate.
Yeah, bro.
LOL. Is that a screw right there?
Bro, it is what it is.
Bro, why is this here?
What is what? Got a bolt down there?
Yeah, bro, it's like a screw that's like, feel me?
What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
Like, say you want to put a line off and you lift that shit? Damn, that shit looks crusty, dusty. It ain't gonna fold the shit, but that shit go straight. Oh, shit.
I forgot the other 2 bolts, so we can. It's fine. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, it all fell out the bag. We're not gonna talk about that part though. But they got like this plastic. I mean, usually I guess they install the parts like separately, so you gotta take it off the. I'm gonna call it the side pieces. Yeah, the side pieces from the single piece. Yeah. You see how clean this bit look? Oh. You just gonna lose the screws, bro? I kind of need that, bro. Yo, what's good, bro?
I said you needed it, bro.
Hey, so why you kicking it?
I gave it to you.
No, you kicked it.
I'm waiting for that shit to roll up on the phone.
Stop.
Kick it.
Stop. Is that FedEx? That took a long time bringing this shit.
Oh, that was him who dropped it off?
Throw your trash away, kids. Don't litter.
Oh, God.
Why? Did you put this here?
It's been there since I got here, bro.
Are you serious?
Since I got here.
Oh, that's tough.
Well, you cool.
That's interesting.
You gotta be lucky that shit ain't going one of your pulley wheels.
Yeah, you're absolutely correct. You are 100% right, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
No.
So that was there while your car was running.
Mm-hmm. He
That's
probably was
nice.
driving with that shit. Though.
Yeah. You feel it? You don't feel it?
A bit warm. He was driving with
Yo.
that there, bro.
Okay.
But it got lodged up under your ear though.
Crazy guy.
Oh, bro. I would have cried, bro.
He would have heard.
All you gonna hear is
Uh-huh.
metal falling. Oh,
And he would have went, oh, damn.
I'd be like, oh, that's what that was. Okay.
Bro.
Oh my gosh.
makes sense now.
I really would have lost my car. That's crazy.
Yeah. She would have fucked up, dude.
Off my own mistake from when I installed that pulley.
That's been there since you.
Yes, since the pulley. I haven't opened it since the pulley.
Oh
bro.
my god.
Yes,
bro.
that's why I was like, damn. Like I guess I really like. Wow, that was here for a minute.
Yeah, too.
He's been driving. I'm like, yeah, I was driving with it
That
for
shit
a
would have got
while.
right here, bro.
That
Bro,
nigga
it would have
be
snapped
driving,
off.
driving
All of
too.
this right here would have been snapped off. You would have had no power steering instantly.
Maybe that's when my power steering went out slowly.
What?
Huh?
What?
I'm not talking. Nothing.
I'm scared.
It's okay.
I don't know what's going on, bro.
Get up out of here, because this motherfucker's over here, though. He's gonna break his car. Yeah. I don't want to be the person to be like, oh, yeah, no, he's doing just fine. And then.
Lift that up for me real quick.
Gotta clean that up.
I'm going to sleep, bro. It's okay.
Where'd it go?
I don't even know where it went, bro. Like I don't even know what to do.
I didn't even see that shit fall.
Like, bro, like
Let's go.
Damn, Zo.
it really be my own luck. Like, bro.
It's out of here, bro. The bolt has left, the nut has left the track, bro. Listen, it's game on.
Just shake the car.
Wow.
This is how 20-minute install turns into an hour.
Bro, I said it's gonna be a real quick video, bro. Bro, I
That
gotta
boy
work
gotta
still,
go.
bro. Like, yo. I not have to finish this to go to work. That's the crazy part about it. Like,
Yo.
now I gotta try not to do this side now. That's ridiculous, bro. I fucking hate cars, bro.
Oh? The hell is that? Oh?
This nigga fishing, bro.
God damn! Yes! No, put it right there. No, yes.
You glad your car is still alive. That wrench beat on that.
I had a knife in my back when I wrote this shit.
Really did though.
I looked back and I left and noticed it.
Oh, man.
Hey, boogie with a hoodie, ain't shit I let a nigga take from me.
Nah. I'm mad, bro. He's cool. I mean, bro. I mean,
Yo.
Metaphor, bro. You sure?
Yo, that nigga man's fuck my friend girl. Not my friend. Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Not my friend girl, my friend's friend that's a girl.
Oh, okay.
But like, yeah, bro, like they after the concert, like they took niggas like to a hotel. She then went. She got fucked.
Game over. It's game over.
Yeah, bro.
They
collected phones.
I'm
bro.
gonna leave this in here, bro.
Oh, my fault.
I'm leaving this part in there, bro. Yeah.
You leaving all of this?
Hey, boogie with a hoodie.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That nigga screaming, bro.
Yo, my boy be wilding at night
He
sometimes.
wildin', bro. He be walking around for hours. Oh shit.
My boy, I'm telling you.
Why not take my? Oh, because I need to switch the socket. That's why.
Oh, nice. Yo.
Your boy yelling, bro.
Bro, look at
What you? Hey, bro. I know I wasn't done, bro.
I mean, I could just, just trash it.
Strut bar. Oh, that's why. So I can put it in properly. Okay.
If I'm home, I got you, bro.
Couldn't get that.
Yeah.
Couldn't find the hole, you guys. Couldn't find
No.
Oh,
You
man,
want
nah,
it.
it's too late.
All right. So I'm gonna try not to put this boat in Narnia, okay? Oh, that shit about to go to Narnia. That shit about to go to Narnia, bro.
To be honest, I don't even think you got a zip file. That shit. It's just floating up there.
Yeah, like, it's
You ain't going nowhere.
she chilling, bro. She chilling. She big
Want to,
chilling.
you can. If you don't, whatever.
All right. So now the hard part.
I'm scared. What's the hard part?
Tightening.
Brain shut off.
Boom. There we have it. Megan Racing strut bar installed. See?
Oh, let me see.
That bit is stiff. Yeah.
You're not gonna show them what you look like. You look like you humping the car.
Oh, why would I show them you?
My fault, bro. All right, here you go, bro. Here you go.
With this line right here, you can probably zip tie to this. Oh, that's a bad fingerprint. Oh, oh. Actually, I'm not gonna lie to you.
I think it does that.
I put my fingerprint there, so it's mine. No, put my thumbprint there, so it's mine.
A silver moment.
Yeah.
The land of
Ain't like FBI want me now, they could just raise my hood and say, damn, that's his fingerprint. We got him, my boys.
Next time I snitch on you, it's grits.
Yeah, I'm just yeah. Wait, you be snitching on me, bro? Wait, yo. So you the reason? So I got pulled up because of you that time. Wow. That's crazy. That's crazy. So altogether it's like 14 bolts if you have all of your bolts and everything, guys. But you know, for your boy who got a
no trash look.
Yeah, that nigga just fucked this shit up.
Shit everywhere.
Bro, I said don't litter, bruh. Why y'all littering out here in the streets? Hey, stop littering, guys. Yo. Yeah, y'all too. Stop littering. Yeah. All right, so 14 bolts if y'all ain't got them. I got 13. Don't worry about it. 13 is a good number. That's why I got 13 bolts. So yeah, we all good. You know what I'm saying. What are you showing? Oh, that's crazy.
Is that that's your highest?
What's that?
Yeah.
What is it, like,
I think
resolution?
the drone can shoot at 4K.
It's a nice ass trunk. All right, guys.
Nice with that shit, bro.
That's it for today's video with the Strut Bar Tower. No, Strut Tower.
I'm trying to work.
You know what this is. You know what it's called, bruh. All right. So like, comment, follow, subscribe. Let me know if y'all want me to do the car, what else y'all want to see. And I don't really have like an outro thing or something to say, so
Trying to be that guy.
boom.
Damn, nigga.
That bitch look nice.
Shit. Scared the hell out of me.
Bye, guys. Look at that shit shining, bro. That bit is like in the sunlight. It's just like, that bit just glistening, like fresh. Like it's fresh, like.
Did y'all niggas go to